Hi everyone, this is Bruce Parker from MarineMax in Lindenhurst, New York. I'm going to give you a short video tour of our 250 SLX Sea Ray 2019. As you can see, it is a white hull boat. It does have the optional sport arch and the bimini top. Now that arch will fold down for storage in a small garage or building, wherever the case may be. Nice option to have, especially if you're into water sports. As you can see, it is an IO boat. It does have this full platform on the back, which is great if you're into water sports with the kids. You have plenty of room to set them up with knee boards, wakeboards, skiing, tubing, wherever the case may be. It's a real easy platform to work from. As you can see, it has a nice speakers on the back. It does have the upgraded sound system. It does have beautiful sun lounge in the back, and you can see some of the beautiful stitching work that is synonymous with the SLX series. This is our top of the line series boat, and they do absolutely outstanding work on the boat. As we get on board the boat, you'll see there's a little deck there, hatch. That's a spot to take your wet dock lines or ski tow ropes, what have you, store them in there out of the way. There's a drain. Now as we get on board, you'll see that we do have the SeaTech flooring throughout the boat, all the way to the bow. That's a beautiful option to have. No carpet to worry about. The SLX series is definitely an upgrade. Again, you can see the beautiful stitch work on this boat. There's a lot of nice custom work done to this boat. They're beautiful. Again, you'll see the big speakers, part of the big sound system. Nice bucket seats on either side with the helm and the port side passenger. The head does have a pump out head in it, which is a great option for the ladies and everybody. Again, more beautiful stitch work on the port side, and it's also on the starboard side. At the helm, you'll see two Simrad units. On those units will be all your gauges. And on one side you can do gauges, one side you can use a chart plotter. Beautifully done. Now on this SLX series, you can see there's all stainless steel everywhere you look. The boat is top of the line. I don't think you'll find another boat as well made or as beautiful as this boat for sure. We go to the bow, you see beautiful seating, plenty of storage all the way around, low rise grab handles so they're not in the way, plenty of cleats. Now this boat is equipped with bow and stern tables, which is nice when you're on the hook. Have a little snack, some hors d'oeuvres, a little lunch, what have you. A nice setup. Again, there's nice armrests that come down here for the bow. Very comfortable for groups, family, friends, to spend a day out on the water with you cruising. Both bucket seats do have the bolster that pops up, so if you don't want to sit and just lean back, give a little more headroom, you can do it. It's another great option. And then in the floorboard here, we have a huge storage area. You can get your wakeboard, your skis, all kinds of stuff down there. It's big, it's deep, it's probably one of the best in the industry. Now as you go out the back, you'll see on the left side there of the picture, there's a step that pops down. If you're boarding from the side, step comes down, you reach over, step in it, come on into the boat. So come on down, see me here in Lindenhurst, New York. I'd love to give you a grand tour of the boat, and you guys have a great day today. Bye.